Hello creative mind, welcome home. I am Survival. In the previous classes, I showed you how to make use of Office app and boyfriend dress up app in creating a unique figure you can use in making your designs. I also introduced you to background changer and how you will be able to use it in removing the background of pictures, both the pictures you created in the Office app and boyfriend dress up app, and then your personal pictures, how you can change the background and then add another background to it. And I further introduced you to Canva, how you can make use of those pictures you created, those figures you created in Office app and boyfriend dress up app, how you can further make use of it in making your designs. And then in Canva, I also showed you how you can edit templates in order to use it to come up with any design you have in mind. I also showed you how you can create a design from the scratch. And I also introduced you on how you can make a logo of your own. So today I will be showing you how to make business cards. The application we'll be using in making this business card the what's the name? The business card maker. That's the name of the application we'll be using for in making the business card. So I just opened my business card maker. So when you open your business card maker, what you have to do is click on this create. So actually these applications, they display adverts thing. That is how they generate their income. So this is the advert is displaying. I'll click on this X to close it. Okay, now I am officially into the business card maker. Actually, when it comes to this business card maker, um, I don't like making designs from the scratch here because I'm having 1,001 templates I can just click on and edit and then come up with my own business card without much stress. So without wasting any time, you see all these templates here, they are all looking good to the best of my knowledge. You can just pick any, edit it, and you have your your business card. So let's go for this one. It's very simple. I like things that are simple, so I'll go for this. So you just click on it. You see, when you click on it, it brings up this thing. Okay, let me just create one for my own. Don't mind the camera. Okay, I just click on this. Then to edit it, simply come to this edit text. So my official name is Ekedum Emmanuel. Okay, so I'll just put in Ekedum Emmanuel. So that's it. That's my name. Okay. So having done that, so I'll just click on apply. Okay, the name is already there. Assistant manager, okay by me. Address line. Let's just leave it. Just know you can always edit it. And even as you edit it, you can always edit some of these icons. I'll still show you where to get the icons from. So this is all about the editing. Okay, so what again do I need to show you? You can also change color using this color panel. Believe you can see it. When you touch it, you can use it in changing colors. Okay, so let's change the color of maybe the color of a text. Okay, okay, let me touch this edit text. As you can see it, as I touch the distance, it just changes the color. So you can use it to change the color of a text. Okay, so I'm canceling it. Oh, it actually changed. Okay, you can use it in changing the color of a text. So this one is for the font size. When you touch this, you can use it to increase the size of the font and then reduce it. So that is what it does. Okay, so we leave it at 30. Okay, 36, which is not bad. Okay, so now after having done that, you can also use this style for the alignment. So you can see with this, maybe where you are having a write-up that occupies two lines, you can use this to centralize it, this one to align it to the right, and then the other one to justify it. You see line height, you can underline it using this U with an underline something here. You can make it bold, you can italicize it. All those things are the styles you can use. And this arrow, what it does is this: you can use it to shift, to move any of these that you selected. You can use it to move it front, to move it back, so you can see it moving, to move it up, to bring it down. That's what it does. And opacity, you can use it to reduce the view, how it is seen. Like now it's not seen at all because I reduced it. Now I've taken it up to 100. I think opacity, the best way to describe it is you call it the visibility. You can use it to increase the visibility or reduce the visibility. That's what opacity does. So to go back, I'll click this back. It will take me back. Okay, then this one for the size, this one for the gradient. I'm not to teach you everything. You are to explore the app and then get to learn some things yourself. So now this send to back and bring to front, what it does is this. For example, now here, okay, I think they are all one background. They are all one background. For example, where you are having two images or two icons on the same place in the same page, maybe one is bigger than the other, you know, if you want to put the little one on top of the bigger one, and maybe accidentally the little one happens to be behind the bigger one, which means the bigger one will cover it. This bring to front will help you to bring that smaller one in front of the bigger one, so it will be on top. Let's take for example now this text. If I send it to the back, you know the background is bigger than this text, it will no longer be visible. So this is it, send to back. You see it's no longer visible. It's just behind this it's just behind this background, so we can no longer see it. The background is bigger than it. So that's why it's no longer visible. But let me bring it to front now. Just clicking, bringing it to the front will put it in front, and you know it's smaller than the background, so automatically it will be in front. That's what this bring to front and send to back. This one is just to duplicate. I think these are the basic things you need to know about this, I think. Is there anything again? Okay, now this one will be for those people who want to create theirs. With this background, you will be able to change the background. You can bring in any background of your choice and start working on it. This application has been made in such a way that everything has been simplified. You can just bring in any background of your choice. I don't want to go through that stress. That's why I'm not creating anyone from the scratch. So you see it. With that, you bring in background with text. You will be able to put up your write-ups. You can always put up write-up, change the fonts and what have you. So with the icon, you can put both the Facebook icon, Instagram icon, a location icon, and then put a write-up close to it. So that's what the icon does. The shapes, I don't think you'll be needing the shape for anything per se, unless if need be. Then the logo, which is your personal logo, you can upload your personal logo using this. You can upload your personal logo using this. Okay, so then the template, that's what you can do with you can just get the template and work with it. So I think this is all you need to know about it. It's very, very simplified. It's very, very simplified. So sorry. Okay, so that's the much you need to know. But mind you, the business card always have this front side and back side. So I think we are in the front side now. To go to the back side, just take a look at this top here that is written back side. Once you click on it, it shows you the is it back side, the front side, whichever one. So here you can also edit it to come up with whatever thing you want to do. So after having done that, you can just click on this download icon. With that, you'll be able to save your business card. So this is your business card now. The company name, the whatever, you download it separately. This is the download front side. When you click on it, you download uh the front side. Then with this, you download the back side. So if you want to download both at the same time as a PDF, that means you have to buy it, because it is not free. You have to buy it. So I think that's all you need to know about business card maker. So for your assignment, try to create maybe like 3 to 5 business cards. It will help you to master it. Try to create from the scratch. It's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. So that's it. So maybe I forgot to introduce you to some things here. Think with this, you can use it to resize. You can use it to resize some things. This one you can use it to flip. Okay, maybe let me use this. It will help you understand it. You see the way it flipped it. Okay, that's the work. I don't think you need it that much. The same with this. That's why I didn't mention it earlier on. So that's what it does. This one bring to front, bring to back. This one copy. This one reset. So I think that's the basic thing you need to know about the business card maker. So for your assignment, like I said, create 3 to 5 business cards. So thank you so much for watching. See you next class. God bless you.